I just wanted you to take a look at this ice cream um mango tree right here. Look at the flowers on this tree. I mean, it's just going and going and going, and I don't expect all of them to produce mangoes. Doesn't even matter if none of them produce mangoes. Now, this tree last year flowered 3 times. 2 of the times we got mangoes. The first time we got mangoes. The second time we had mangoes, but it rained a lot and the mangoes dropped. The third time we wound up with 3 mangoes. Very, very tasty. They're not big mangoes, but nevertheless they're mangoes. So this is my ice cream mango tree. And look at this tree right here. This is the carry right here, okay? Look at the flowers on the carry. Now, I really don't care whether the flowers go to mango or not. I mean, that's not really um, what I really want. I want it to continue to grow and have that trunk nice and small. Now, the ice cream mango is a dwarf size tree, and it's in a 25-gallon pot, which will be moved up to that 45-gallon pot back there. I have a couple of those. And this one right here will also be moved into it. I just wanted you to see the flowering that it's doing. I took the flowers off of the non-duct-my, and the flowers are still trying to come back. I will be taking the flowers off again because I wanted to concentrate on this growth. Okay, like this one right here. I have this Super Alfonso. I had this the same time I got the Carry Mango tree, and it hasn't flowered, and I really don't want it to. I just want it to grow. So that's what the majority of my mangoes. I actually just want them to go. The dwarf Hawaiians right here. Look at this right here, Super Julie mango. That fruit punch back there. So basically, I just want them all to grow. I'm not in a rush for them to give mangoes right now. I have plenty of fruit trees, so I have patience for it. And I'd rather have a very healthy fruit tree that gives me many mangoes later than a fruit tree, small fruit tree, that gives me 2 or 3 mangoes now. You can see that fruit cocktail was having a little problem, but it's bouncing back right there. And we got that pina colada. She's getting where she needs to be. So I chopped the top off a lot of these. I have 2 mango trees in the ground, as you can see. And this is the Valencia Pride. I've been chopping her so she can continue to grow. And then over here we got the Kent mango. Okay, so basically just showing you my mango trees, and once again, I mainly want them to grow, give them another year or so to grow, and the dwarf ones will probably give me mangoes, but I don't want the other size ones to give me mangoes. And as I said before, they will be going right into these spots right here. Then you come around, and in that spot. And I will be pruning my mango trees. I want them a certain height. I mainly want them wide, so I want them bushy, okay? And as you can see, that mulch is going down there. So this whole area will be mulched, just like that side. It took me a while, but we're getting there. Tomorrow I'll go pick up some more mulch. And within the next 2 days, I'll probably be finished this back area, and that'll be it as far as mulching the back, because I did this side right here. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And go ahead and share this video with your family and friends. And hopefully you are enjoying your day. And I'll be bringing back some more video content of my backyard tropical fruit trees. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.